Let me try it. Ooh, it's low-tech. People are making automated toys. Do you want to participate challenges with me? You will receive $100,000 if you complete one challenge.
Nothing is impossible.
Can you build a hamster wheel?
Of course, I'll do it right away. How to build the hamster wheel. Step 1. Build the ring. Step 2. Build the frame. Step 3. Complete assembly.
Oh, it's interesting.
Yahoo!
I finished.
This is okay, but easy to do. Let's build a model of spinner.
How to build the hyperboloid spinner. Step 1. Build the engine. Step 2. Build the spinner. Step 3. Complete assembly. Would you like to test with the spinner?
Okay, let's test it. Stop! Let me out!
Do you transfer money to me?
Okay. Stupid spinner. I want to have a flower machine.
To be continued. It's $20 for the laundry service.
Here you go.
Have a good day. What? Don't know what's in this.
Help me clean these socks up. I will pay more money.
Signed, Santa. These socks are large. Oh no, I need to use the large washing machine. I need a help.
What do I need to with these socks?
We have a big order. Use the large washing machine to wash them. Let me handle. How to build a large washing machine. Step 1. Install the washing machine. Step 2. Test the washing machine. Let's go. Step 3. Install wastewater lines. Step 4. Operability of washing machine. Let's go.
They are so dirty.
Add water. Add washing powder.
Look, this sock is all clean.
Boss, I washed all the socks.
Santa Claus just passed by, right?
Really?
Hey, but what about the money?
Oh. Huh?
Daddy, are you okay?
It's so hot. All the trees are wilting.
So great!
Let's help your dad.
We need to build a pipe to bring water.
Huh?
Thank you, my son. Can you help with my field? Okay.
Oh my god, my labor might have turned out to be in vain. Look what you did to my elevator.
Oh, apologize for breaking your stuff. I'll help you fix it.
Okay, here we go. How to build the escalator. Step 1. Build the left exterior wall panel. Where is a Technic 7M beam?
Hey, I found it.
Oh, thank you. I'm done.
Me too.
Step 2. Build the lower module. Step 3. Connect to exterior wall panels. Step 4. Build the escalator steps.
Wow.
We are done.
It's perfect.
How does the escalator work?
Woo! Yeah, let's go. Has the door appeared? Yeah, I can come back home.
Good luck.
Oh no, where do the color balls come from? Oh, luckily. Out of balls. I have to come back home.
See you later. I'll miss you.